Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have something from Samsung, a flagship device. This is your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus that needs a screen replacement. Let's go! So this Galaxy S20 Plus needs a screen replacement, and you know that David is kind of an expert, undeniably the expert for all Samsung repairs in Sydney. And this one is a special case, broken on the sides, and then half of the screen is not anymore showing anything. It's just white and very, very bright white light. It's also flickering. So first up is we're gonna remove the back cover. You have to be very careful. This one is still pristine. So David is an Samsung expert, just like what I've said, because he's been repairing Samsung devices for many years now, and then of course Apple devices. So this is not gonna take a long time. So this one is opened. You know that this smartphone has been fixed before because the back glass is kind of easy to remove, and the stock adhesives for the back glass of a Samsung Galaxy S20 or the flagship Samsung device is kind of hard to remove. It's kind of also dark in color. This one is easier, which is kind of playing in our favor because we can access the internals right away. First, we're gonna remove is the wireless charging pad and the flat cables for the connections between the boards on the device. So we're gonna remove also the shroud for the motherboard. And then we're gonna remove the daughter board shroud at the bottom. So basically everything that you can see at the back of your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus is gonna be removed so that we can transplant them on a new replacement display. So the replacement display is also the main frame of the whole device. So you're replacing the screen and the frame, which is kind of really good thing because it's more rigid and it's easier to replace relatively compared to other Samsung Samsung models. So right here, just get the tape off. It's covering the replacement display, and then transplant the board, transplant the battery, the connectors, and of course the daughter board at the bottom. So you're just basically doing it in easy mode. So if you're gonna do this on your own, just make sure you have the proper tools and experience. Maybe you have fixed an iPhone before, you have replaced a battery on another Samsung device. So because this is kind of relatively easy, but if you don't want the risk and you want to really genuinely fix your Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus and use it again and not risk destroying the whole thing, then maybe you should just go to a repair shop to do the job for you. So as you can see here, if you can do this, and maybe David is just making it look easy. If you're not sure, repair shop is the cure. So we're just gonna install it. You see, we haven't really tested if the screen is working before we reassemble the whole thing, and maybe that's just David being confident that this is gonna work. If it doesn't work, we have to do the whole thing again. Luckily for now, we're not gonna do that. It's gonna boot up. We're just gonna wait. If it boots up successfully on the OS and on the home screen. We're also gonna test the buttons, the camera, the charging. Look at that. It looks brand new again. Camera is working. Touchscreen is working. The signals for the Wi-Fi and the mobile data is working. So we're almost done now. So if you have Samsung Galaxy issues, head on Sydney CBD Repair Center. And I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.